it's Miss Haig back with a Minds On. Happy New Year and welcome to January. What you're going to need to do first is you're going to get a piece of paper and you're going to write down the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 down the side because we are going to do how many do you see 4 times? That's right. So when you get that ready, get a pencil ready, and I'm going to flash you some objects in a group, so some counters. And I'm going to use really bright counters, and then I'm going to give you 4 seconds. Ooh, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to take them away, and you're going to write how many you saw. So we're going to start off with the first group. So number 1. Are you ready? I'm going to put some down. I hope everybody had a great break. Here we go. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, taking them away. Write down the number next to number 1. Do you remember how to form your numbers? Try your best. All right, grouping number 2. I'm going to get them ready. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, time's up. Write that number next door to this number 2. I think I lost a bead. How many did you see? All right, now it's time to do number 3. Are you ready? Getting them ready. All right. Here we go. How many do you see? And time's up. Ooh, that one was tricky. Write down what you thought you saw. Here we go. And the last one. Are you ready? I'm going to try and trick you. Good job. Here we go. How many do you see? 2, 3, 4. Okay, write that number down. Wow, I'm wondering if we got them all correct. All right. So let's go ahead and take up our answers. In the first group, there were 4. 4. So Miss Haig's going to put down, what they look like. 4. Oh my goodness, they are rolling everywhere today. They look like that. Did anybody just count 1, 2, 3, 4? Or did anybody know 2 and 2 make 4? Or 2 and 2 make 4? The next group was 6. And I believe my groupings looked like this. Yeah. So, did anybody count 1 by 1? Or did anybody know that 3 and 3 is 6? Or 2 and 2 and 2 is 6? Amazing. Now 8 was hardest of all because I put them very randomly around. They might have been super hard to count because they were not in any weird grouping. They looked like that. And that was tough, wasn't it? Did you get 8? And then 10. Miss Haig put them in a specific way to kind of remind you of something. I put this many across the top and this many across the bottom. Do you know what I did? Yeah, I put 5 and 5. Did you know that? Filled a 5 frame, filled a 5 frame. 5 and 5 make 10. 5 hands, 5 fingers on a hand, 5 fingers on a hand. Or did you count them one by one? Either way, were you successful? Did you get them all correct? Okay, if you want an extension activity to this, you can play with a friend. You can ask them to put down the numbers 1 to 4, and you can do the game 4 times. So they can look away, you can put a group down, and then you can give them a timer or a time limit, and they'll have to write down how many they saw. It's a fun little game to practice counting and knowing how many are in a group. All right. Have fun with your minds on this morning. See you soon.